Hello everyone! Today we have a very useful video. If your Windows 11 mouse pointer is constantly flickering, I will show you exactly how to fix it right now by disabling a hidden indicator setting. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows search icon on your taskbar. Type the word Settings and open the main Settings app from the Best Match result. Once you're inside, look over at the left-hand panel and click on Accessibility to open up your vision and interaction options. This specific menu houses the deep cursor settings that manage how your pointer reacts to clicks and touches. This is where the flickering bug usually originates. Next, look right under the Vision section on the right side of your screen and click on the Mouse Pointer and Touch option. Scroll down just a little bit until you spot a specific setting labeled Mouse Indicator or Touch Indicator. Simply click that toggle switch to the off position. You will immediately notice that your mouse cursor stops flickering and returns to perfectly smooth, normal behavior. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.